What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to be unboxing the Blackweb Premium LED Bluetooth speaker, and I got this from Walmart. I paid about $49 and some change. It's been about 3 years, I'd say, since I bought my last Bluetooth speaker, and I had like three of them, and they're all getting pretty old, and they're a little bit. I mean, they were great for their time, but I mean, it's been 3 years, and I needed something with a little more kick. Um, so I went to Walmart and was looking at some of the Bluetooth speakers, and the Black Web series, because there's a bunch of these. They were on display and they were actually hooked up, and you can actually listen to them by pressing a button on the display. And when I heard this thing, I was like blown away. I mean, again, I paid almost $50 for this, but I wasn't even planning on spending that much because the last Bluetooth speaker I bought from Walmart was about 25 bucks, and it was great. Um, but when I heard the sound coming from this thing, I was like, okay, I'll go ahead and pay the 50 bucks. So, yeah, so that's the little background here. Black Web, I never even heard of them until today, to tell you the truth. So, let's go ahead and begin this unboxing. Okay, we're back. All right, what do we have here? The premium LED Bluetooth speaker with superior stereo sound with LED lighting. This here is an LED, this blue stripe, that's actually an LED light, and it changes colors. Um, it looks nice. When I saw the display, it looked really nice, but I don't really care about that. But again, it was just the sound. But that's cool. I mean, a little flash. I guess that's all right. Okay, it's hands-free. It's a 10-hour battery life, and it is splash-proof. So if you go to the pool or something, it gets splashed on or whatever, not a problem. Just don't dunk it actually in the pool. All right. All right, let's go ahead. Well, let's see what we got back here. Oh, there it is. Picture of it by the pool. Um, oh, by the way, this thing has dual 10-watt drivers, and it syncs wirelessly across two speakers simultaneously. The LED is customizable, and get a full charge in 3 hours. All right, let's open this thing up. Let me get the little unboxing knife. All right, here we go. Right here, little piece of tape here. Did I get it? Yeah, okay. Should be it right there. Gotta pull this out here. There's a little tab you just pull out. There we go. All right, first up you get this little Black Web thing. I guess the instruction manual or something should be in here. Oh, the cable. Quick word before the bass kicks in. Pause that and read it. And this is the instruction manual right there. And here's the cable. I don't usually use these things. I have spare cables. They're a lot longer. And these aren't really all that good for anything. So put that away. So there it is. Nice packaging, I guess. Turn this thing upside down. All right. All right, there it is. Yeah, it looks really nice. I mean, 50 bucks. It's pretty heavy though. I mean, this thing has some weight and I like that. The other Bluetooth speakers I have are pretty lightweight, but this has a little heft, so that's cool. Um, and there's where you charge it, and if the battery runs out, you can always hook up the 3.5 millimeter jack, and that should be good right there. All right, let me see here. All right, let's go ahead and pair this to something. All right, I got my iPhone here, so we're going to pair this up. But first, let me turn the speaker on. Get rid of some of this stuff up here. All right, there's a power button. Hopefully it has some battery.
Power on.
There we go. All right.
Bluetooth pairing.
Oh, wow. It's already paired automatically, or turned on its pairing mode automatically. So there we go. I think this is it.
Bluetooth connected.
All right, perfect. That's it right there. All right, let me see here. Let's go to YouTube. I already got something set up here. This channel right here is called the NCS No Copyright Sounds channel. This music here you guys could use to put in your videos if you want. There's some downloads, so it's a cool app. I haven't used any of this music, but I may in the future. Who knows? So let's go ahead and go to the videos here. Let's see right there. All right. Let's go with the first one, I guess. Right? See what it sounds like. Well, it sounds pretty good. I'm just gonna turn it up all the way just for a few seconds. You don't got a lot of me to get. But she pulled me off into the deep and let's pretend that nothing ever happened on that night. All right, yeah, turning it up all the way to max volume, probably not a good idea, but just bringing the volume back a little bit, it actually sounded pretty good. It sounded really good, actually. Like I said, this was on the display over there, and it really sounded great. I mean, for 50 bucks, I mean, I was kind of surprised. I guess since I haven't been looking for a Bluetooth speaker in the past 3 years, I guess the technology has gone up a little bit since 3 years ago. So it sounded really great. So anyway, I guess that's it. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want to check it out, the price and all that stuff. And we'll see how it does in the future. I mean, my other Bluetooth speakers, they all work really good. So I don't see how this will be any different. Anyway, you guys take it easy.